Good evening and welcome you all in this session. Today we are going to learn about the nuclear fuel and power generation. What are these nuclear fuels and how they are used for power generation? We will study in this lecture. Generally, uranium is used as a source of power generation in nuclear fuel reactor. Let us see one by one how it is working. Some important definitions associated with this one are some atomic number, neutron number, mass number, and isotopes. You know better what are these. Some symbols associated with these symbolic associated with this one are proton, neutron, electron, positron, and these are the symbols. Sometimes these are used like this one. This is what half-life period is, T half. This is about nuclear binding energy. What is this nuclear binding energy? It is nothing but the energy of a nucleus, which is released when constituent nucleons combines to form a nucleus, or one can say, in other words, as it is the measure of forces that holds the nucleus together in the nucleus, or it may be, we can say, it may represent the energy which must be supplied to break the nucleus. And in this way, we can suggest about nuclear binding energy. The million electron volt is used as its unit. Next one. This is the relation between nuclear binding energy and the stability of nucleus. Let's skip this one. Now let us move towards nuclear fission. The breaking of heavy nucleus into two lighter nuclei with the release of large amount of energy is called as nuclear fission. In this way, neutron is bombarded over the uranium nucleus, and this uranium nucleus get converted into unstable one. Afterward, due to high energy instability, it gets split into nearly equal holes, and these are called as daughter nuclei, along with the emission of three further three neutrons, high energy neutrons, and enormous amount of energy is released in this reaction. And these three neutrons can trigger the further fission of another nucleus, and therefore, and so on. And therefore, this reaction is called also as nuclear chain reaction or nuclear by a high energy neutron, or it is also called as slow neutron, but it is also called as a projectile, which is bombarded on a heavy nucleus, getting converted into daughter nuclei, and the number of such types of heavy nuclei get bursted, get splitted into smaller daughter nuclei with the release of neutrons and enormous amount of energy, and that energy later on can be utilized for number of fields. Here, this energy is utilized for production of power.